Ready? Start. The problems we have to face in world affairs at the present moment bear a great deal of relation to the conflicts that are going on. Full stop. We have stated repeatedly that our foreign policy is one of keeping aloof from the big blocs of nations and being friendly to all countries and not becoming entangled in any alliances, military or other, that might drag us into any possible conflict. Full stop. That does not, on the other hand, involve any lack of close relationships with other countries. Full stop. The House will remember that sometimes back I mentioned the question of India's possible relationships with the Commonwealth, and I informed the House of the broad lines of our approach to this problem, and I gathered that the House agreed to it. Full stop. Subsequently, the question, as considered by the National Congress at its Jaipur session, and in broad lines they also laid down the policy to be pursued. Full stop. As far as we are concerned, we propose strictly to adhere to those directions. Full stop. Of course, changing circumstances have to be understood and interpreted in different ways, but the broad lines of our policy have been laid down, and that will naturally and inevitably, in the course of a few months, become an independent republic, and in our external, internal, or domestic policy, political policy, or in our economic policy, we do not propose to accept anything that involves in the slightest degree dependence on any other authority. Full stop. Para. Subject to that, we are prepared to associate ourselves with other countries in a friendly way. Full stop. We are associated today in the United Nations with a great number of countries in the world. Full stop. Anything else that we might do will naturally have to be something that does not go against our association with the United Nations. Full stop. It is only in terms of independent nations cooperating together that we are consider the problems of our association with the Commonwealth. Full stop. There may be, as some people have suggested, alliances with this or that nation. Full stop. Alliances usually involve military and other commitments, and they are more binding. Full stop. Other forms of association which do not bind in this manner but which help in bringing together nations for the purpose of consolidation where necessary of cooperation are therefore far more desirable than any form of alliance which does bind and will help us to achieve our main target. Full stop.